Dear students, today we are going to discuss some of the key points before the half-yearly exam of Mathematics Class 3. First of all, we will discuss on the topic of three-digit numbers. As the syllabus is based on the three-digit numbers, some questions are there from these sections. Suppose we have some given numbers. Suppose we have 2, 5 and 7. And out of this, what we have to do? We have to make the largest three-digit number and the smallest three-digit numbers. First of all, we will prepare the largest three-digit number. Here you can see there are three numbers. One is 2, another one is 5, another one is 7. To find out the largest three-digit number, what we have to do is we have to take the largest number out of all three. Here 7 is the largest one. So what we will do, we will write simply here 7. After that 5 is there. After that 2 is there. So you can see 752. This is the largest three-digit number out of these three numbers. Same time, if we will find the smallest three-digit numbers, it will be like the small one, 2, then 5, and then 7. In this way, we can find both the largest and smallest three-digit numbers. At the same time, if some of the questions are there, suppose we have given different numbers and we have to put all the numbers in different orders. There are two orders are there. First of all, let me write a few numbers. Suppose we have numbers 547, 38, 99, 425, 198 and 200. And we have to put these in two orders. Suppose we have to write the number first in ascending order and another is in descending order. So if we will write these ascending and descending, first of all we have to understand what is ascending and what is descending. Ascending means small to large, small to large, and descending means large to small. So we have to find the sequence. If we will put these numbers in ascending and descending order, then we have to find out the smallest out of this. Here you can see two digit numbers are there, 38 and 99. So we will take first 38, then 99. After that you can see three digit numbers. Here you can see the place value of three digits. Here it's 1 and here it is 2, then it's 4 and this is 5. 100, 200, 400 and 500. In this way we'll write the sequence 198, 200, 425, then 547. The same things if you write in descending order, means large to small, we will simply reverse the direction. First we will write 547, then 425, then 200, then 198, then 99, then 38. So in this way we can solve the question related to three-digit numbers, that is ascending and descending order. After that we will move to the next sections, that is all about the place value systems. For place value system, if we will go forward, this is all about the place value system. Place value systems, what you have to do, suppose some questions are there. For example, there are one number 4238. In this number, if a question is there, what is the place value? What is the place value of 4? Here you can see the question, what is the place value of 4 in this number? Here you can see 4. 4 means it has in 1000 place. 2 is in 100 place. 3 is in 10 place. And 8 is in 1 place. So this is very much important. 1000, 100, 10 and 1s. As the 4 is at the 1000 place, the place value of 4000 is, it will be 4000. As well as sometimes if the question is like that, what is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 in this number, if this question arises, the answer will be no doubt 3. Here you can see 4238. 30 is in 10 place. It is in 10 place. So the place value of 3 here is 30. So in this way you can solve the place value systems questions. Then we will move to the formation of 3-digit number. Suppose we have one question, formation of 3-digit numbers. Suppose you have given the number 4, 0 and 7. This is one important question. You can see here already we have done 3-digit number, largest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. We have prepared it well. But in case 10 is there, suppose 10 is there. Here if you will find the largest 3-digit numbers, it will be different. Why? Because the question is 3-digit numbers, about the 3-digit numbers. So we can't take 0 initially. We can't put 0 before any 2-digit numbers. For example, as we are talking about largest, so we will take the bigger number, that is 7, no doubt. We are taking 7, then we are taking 4, then we are taking 0. So the largest 3-digit number here is 740. But if we will talk about the smallest 3-digit numbers, it will be little bit different. How? Let me tell you. Smallest, if we will take 0 initially, after that if we take 4 then 7, it is not a 3-digit number, because there is no value of 0 if it is placed before 4, like that. So it is 47. But we have to find the 3-digit numbers. That's why what we will do, we will take the next smallest number after 0, that is 4. You can see after 0 the smallest number is 4. So we will take 4, then we will put this 0 after that, then we will put 7, means 407. This is the right answer of smallest 3-digit number to be prepared out of 4, 0 and 7. So this is one tricky question. Please be aware while solving it. Now we will move to the next section, that is about the shapes related questions. For examples, we have already seen different shapes. Here you can see, suppose I am drawing one cube, right? This is a cube. And some questions are there. Suppose how many corners are there? You can see the corners are clearly visible here. The corners are clearly visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 corners. Now you can see how many edges are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 edges. And how many faces are there? If we will discuss about that, this is one face, this is one face. So in this way you can see there are 6 faces, like there are 6 faces in a loaded dice. So what we have to write it, we will write there are 6 faces in a cube 3D shapes. Like that, some questions are there. Suppose the 3D shapes which has only flat faces. Only flat faces. You can see the cube has only flat faces. Cuboid has only flat faces. Cube, cuboid. Like that, you can write. Suppose the question is there. The question related to 3D shapes that which has both the flat and curved faces. Flat and curved faces. You can see, suppose one cylinder is there. One cylinder is there. You can see these faces are completely flat. Two flat faces, but whereas you can see this part, it is a curved faces. It is a curved faces. So both flat and curved faces shapes are cylinder. Even the cones are also there. Cylinder and cones all are coming under this category. If the question is that the 3D shape which has only curved faces, that is no doubt the sphere. What our use of football, the different balls are there. Okay, so these have only curved faces. So there are three type of 3D shapes here we are talking about. First one is only the flat faces. Second one is both the flat and curved faces, and third one is having both the having only the curved faces. So this is sphere, only curved faces, flat and curved faces, that is cylinder and cones, and only flat faces, that is cube and cuboid. So different more shapes are there, but up to now we can learn about only these shapes. So we move to the next video. For this, please be updated about this data. Let's discuss some more important topics in the next video.